Research shows the communities that have deployed fiber networks saw a 35% boost in GDP. And even though, since we invented fiber, the world has installed enough fiber to go back and forth to the sun 20 times, only about 19% of U.S. homes are connected. And that's why companies like AT&T are committed to building fiber networks to bridge the digital divide. At Corning, we want to do our part. Our new facility is the latest in a series of investments, more than $500 million since 2020, that nearly double Corning's ability to supply in North America.